Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to see connected apps in Gemini step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store if you are using iPhone, or the Play Store if you are using Android. In the search bar, type Gemini and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version because some settings may not appear on older versions of the app. Once the app is updated, simply open Gemini on your phone. After opening the app, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the two-line menu icon. Now tap on your profile picture or account section. After that, you will see an option called Connected Apps. Tap on it. Here, you will be able to see all the apps and services connected to your Gemini account. You can review which apps are linked and also manage or remove access for apps longer want connected. This is very useful if you want to check your account privacy, security, or simply manage your connected services more easily. So yeah, guys, that's basically how you can see connected apps in Gemini. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.